The claim.
In California, for example, where this was adopted, they've had a 50% increase in the illegal use of marijuana since this bill went into effect.
False. The facts. The county attorney's claim is blatantly false. All available data point to a decrease in marijuana use since the passage of Proposition 215. The proof. Proposition 215, California's medical marijuana initiative, was passed in 1996. Statewide statistics for marijuana use for all age groups are simply not available prior to 1999. However, statistics on the use of marijuana by teenagers are available from the state-sponsored California Student Survey. This survey documents that teen marijuana use in California was rising prior to enactment of Proposition 215 in 1996, but has declined dramatically since then. Furthermore, an analysis commissioned by the California Department of Alcohol and Drug Programs found no evidence supporting that the passage of Proposition 215 increased marijuana use during this period. To learn more about the facts regarding medical marijuana, please visit minnesotacares.org.